ngogamine ehonge opina takenge donu likor hido panam takabhi hia to mane hia patum to mane unu takabhi kia kom to man proge kom to man ege kom to man kejehim turahi nengulu kejehim tukane ngulu tadehim karu hinengulu hia patumi to man denogrongem ngop competition komito kom competition de ngokamo pibikumae ngop de kedati komito kom gem gua bak pom ning kona mo loru wene bilu be ko bilum ko hia putum tu wa hilo ko ke tomat hia patum tu tomat tomang bro ko tomat hia patum rembo rilo kom tomae tampo ko tomae re ko tomae hia patum rem
bang idong depa dolung hilo di seson ladong ngulu hilo ngulu ke bang amluin bo hidong dere bida ho dolung gu mun hoina tadong elogi name belo enting giti belo ga anida rang kidare gidog giyog dolang paper sign nang MOU sign na inam him ngulu dolung ngulai pemimang hi adam dong ngulu hilo loke ngulu tomabong ngulu kamong ngulai hidong heri melo ke pibinam amohim ngulu manyog limang inama adingo siang ane me mungke hila dua amne melokong no kongki bote bulu koma para bulu yenam em ani takami loge mi tagem gilan nongem mi matagem gilan nongem ani takam ke bom name ani takam ke mi bom name de hi aputum hi ai hi abarem bidung de aji taru rokom ai himon mun ge ke among karungam na ka pe anabu himay mga rapa ko balok ang ko hoy bikan mo am kapela hoy bipakan ipamulay na development na bito kangulu inamangulu inkono pisara ko inkono minister ko inkono DCR ko inko aro ko ngulu siang dam ngulu siang ane menguluk siang video kim mubo milang ngulu mo mambo hipalagi dong development ete amalong amonyok pene dem ngulu tolig la kape dem dango takam dolu na lumluworo
2000 de lo ngolu jan bolo ke bang ito NSPC le gape ngolu putu mo mai hiang putu mo marok pernah jodelo amie ke ko hilikai abu kudu hikai bodi abu kola tali abu ko hilikai hupak ako siang dam him toling bare ngoman bie oluk dolu hoge inko paper sign ne 10 amiko helo gabutte hupak kom sign ma ngolu hiang putum mo maem na hupak kom ngolu toru
yang am tadi mangam lorum perugon itu kepilang yang nama hedi bote ke kita beliau pidinam him tani takam mereka pe heronanya ke kola beliau lihat binam him kapela hiare madiene maluga pihing rahim kata ka kongki bote bulu ko manane bulu kita beliau pin hitung kone beliau yain hitung kapela rem hialo malugiene hiare ngolo de lokom tomang nyam pokom tomang ale kom tomang ndemoko
ngolu ke ye ko bulu onno ke paper sign turi MOU sign turi de ko kudar de idung galo kusi pe peling ke bang kapumang de kapumang ila bulu agi ke kusi pe balo itung ina medem ngolu ge likor dolunge ater ko mutpak tongok ana bukidare ater ko mutpak tolik mangai bulum ngolu ingkomang bulugin ngolu ingkomang ina me ngo kiai ke dumba ba ko him lo ke mam ke not ti ko him ngo nyong mo mae
Today we are right now here in Likor village. So today from early morning, the elders of the Likor, the Kabang Abus and the village council has summoned. They have gathered in this community hall to discuss upon the fate of the Siang River. So they have unanimously passed the resolution. They have given their mass petition. They have given their non-consent and rejection to the Siang Dam activities and any Siang Dam related activities such as PFR, drilling, data collection, any photography and geotagging. So all the elders, the Kabang Abus and the women and the youth and the children, everyone is here in the liquor community hall, and they have decided this finally. So it's a request to the government of India and government of Arunachal Pradesh, listen to the people. The people who went on the 19th March to the DC office in Upper Siang, that is Yingkiong, and signed the PFR MOU with the government, they were illegal, it was invalid. Without the consent of the elders and without the consent of the villagers, they went to the DC office and signed an MOU. That is against the customary law, that is against the BEFR Act 1873, that is against the Act of Environmental Impact Assessment 2006, that is against the Forest Right Act 2006, that is against the UNDRIP, United Nations Declaration of Indigenous Peoples' Right. The people who went, couple of people, that is 27 people who went down and then done a signature with the Yingkiong DC, it is illegal and invalid, and the villagers don't accept that. So the final verdict of the villagers will be submitted to the governor of Arunachal Pradesh, to the chief minister's office, and to chief secretary. Please see to that. And therefore, the final conclusion is no more discussion on Siang Dam. Siang Dam should end here. This is the final and binding message of the people of the Likor. Likor Bane Kabang decides that no more Siang Dam discussion, no more PFR discussion, no more compensation discussion. Thank you. No dam. No separate. No dam. No separate. No dam. No separate. No dam. No separate. Asi among. Asi among. Adi among. Adi among. No dam. No separate. No dam. No separate. No dam. No separate.
Yo gumun he na gumun he gumun gunang rum ko moko mano ko pa ko hoin he hoin no na garu ko moko gumun potia no gumun to ika moga kong ki mo ta kong ti te ma kapila ho na na ka bari ko pa mom kam mai ka.
In social media, rumors has already been spread that people of Simon has signed given their consent in favor of Siang Upper Multipurpose Project. Today you all have seen that more than 150 households of Simon Place has not given their consent, so-called the ironical rumor that stated in social media is totally fake, and from today onward, there will be no question of PFR, no question of dam over Siang River in Siang and Upper Siang districts. That is the total concept of Simon Bane Kabang and Simon Kumin Hoin Dere. Simon Kumin Hoin Dere Home. Simon Bane Tatame. Siang Dam Polimanla, Aga Apulo Nama Hilo, Lucanino, Sorkarian Potlenkan Kai, the Loga, Isablo, Takama, Ruman, Abuda, Isabilo, and the Mudina Kuka and La, the Moahom and from Pervalico. In more, Boimango Gare, Timon Doluma. Kumun hoin dolung anda buat hidup kalau golu hiap itu kan komang dolungan dalam dolung apa gaya benda ka anda mau apa bi luka itu ni moko sa thank you.
Golu hidup ya orang tomang hidup kalau yogo mino ada kumun dolungan ya orang tomang kalau golu nako tomai rego tomai golu MU paper time Walau emu siapa dah ni lego, kalau kita walau kamu bertai ni dia, ken bapa mana dia walau di walau anak pun tak kamu, koma tiada toma, bila doktor walau dia pun perlu toma.
Toma orang toma, dia pun toma, berapa pun toma. Toma orang toma, kau nak kita walau ken lagi mau kita mau toma. Toma ni himo na rin na toma ko. To ni po na para bumunay ka na mo eh ko.
Mulu himo abu ane dua mulu takam kian kai ken kai mulu hiara bhiku doma against room oppose room hiara belong ke upat ऐसे ताकारों 100% साइड का है बोलो ही नंबर बिल्कुल तुम्हारे को दोनों बड़े-बड़े को लोगों तक तो का बोलो ही नंबर 99% सियाराम को
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is 1 April 2026. All the elders, mothers, farmers, youths, and children, everyone from the Simong Ban and Kabang has gathered here in the Simong Village Council called the Dere, and they have unanimously decided invoking the constitutional rights, Article 371H, BEFR 1873, FRA Forest Rights Act 2006, Environmental Impact Notification 2006, and UNDRIP, United Nations Declaration of Rights of Indigenous People, as well as the Adi traditional and customary laws. Invoking all these laws, they have decided final and binding message to the government of Arunachal Pradesh and government of India, saying they are giving their non-consent, they are not agreeing, they are rejecting the Siam of Arunachal, as well as such as for drilling, sightseeing, survey, data collection, geotagging in the Simong Ban and Kabang, among. So that's the final and binding decision. No dam, no survey, no dam, no survey, no dam, no survey, no pier park, no survey, no pier park, no survey. Adi Among, Adi Among, Adi Among, Asi Among, Asi Among, Arab.